Alright, so today we'll make a little video testing a product. Never was a fan of dishwashers. Ever since we lived in this place, I use a dishwasher quite often. It's actually pretty good. Now, we originally had, if I still have it, yeah, Cascade Total Clean, okay? We're moved up to one. God bless it. Called Cascade Platinum. Different burnt on messes. Dishwasher cleaner action, but where did I read? There you go. No pre-wash. Plus dishwasher cleaner. Alright, we're going to test that theory. Normally I would rinse that out really good and scrub it out before I put it in there. Same thing with the plates. The plates I actually did do that. So I'm going to test the theory. Got the spoon. I'm going to rinse it out a little bit because I don't want all that sauce in my dishwasher. But I'm not going to clean it like normal. Normally I would scrub it really good before I put it in there. And it does have a pot and pan setting, which I'm going to use. Okay. Now getting it in here. Not too hard at all. Pretty full dishwasher, right? Alright. So when it's done, let me turn that off. I know it's always sink. But whenever that's done, we're going to take the pan out and you'll get to see it at the same time I do. Alright, so full disclosure, the ones on top are the old ones from the other thing. I'm going to have to take it out. Oh, my hands are a little wet. We're doing the Cascade Platinum. No pre-wash theory test. You see you got some junk on there. Right in here. Oh, where the hell did that come from? I guess I'm going to wash that. That's the other Cascade Total Clean. We got this one because it says no pre-wash. We're going to test that theory on that pan. Alright, here we go. And I am going to pick pots and pans setting since it is very heavy there. Give it its best chance. Alright, we'll see you together when it's done. Alright folks, well the dishwasher's done. Let's check and see what happened. Oh, I think I'm impressed. Of course, everything's steaming up. What do you think, guys? It's still really hot. But, that is pretty spectacular. Still really hot. Wow. Wow. Gotta say, I'm pretty impressed. It works well. Remember, no pre-wash. Cascade Platinum. And I did it on the pots and pans level, which is the best wash. Super impressed. Nothing. Wasn't sure if I think you saw the spoon in the video. I didn't show that when I took it out. Perfectly clean. Still a little wet there. I put it up here because sometimes the dishwasher, the water gets caught in there, little grooves and stuff. So as you can see in the video, the Cascade Platinum no rinse challenge, it passed. I'm just a dumb guy sitting at home, nothing to do. I thought, hey, let's test all these commercials and theories that they say, you know. Personally, I'm tired of the propaganda, all these lies being told to you illegally, you know, commercials making claims that are not true. So when I saw that, I thought, you know what, let's try it, see what happens. And it hit the out of the ballpark, 100%, totally clean. I was very impressed, and I will continue to use the Cascade Platinum.